Moya address Swaggerbaby Part 1.
Remember, I don't know nobody. I don't depend on nobody wall when them a grind. I don't know nothing about nobody and them business, right? When me have to do who I fuck who from who I fuck who, I'm not a part of no fucking drama. I keep on telling you, because men is not the same. I don't come on here come buy a cup because man love me naturally. Two, no gift and never yet give me and get me yet, never. Not even TJ, because I keep on tell people say I know TJ before the app. TJ never come give me. I'ma spread out my vagina give him. No. So we are not in the same league. We're not running in the same class. Why you involve me in your things? I don't know. Until now, me I try to wrap my head around it. Why you tag me in your things? Why? You know how guys, I want to start from the top, you know, because I want to see how crazy this shit is, right? I want to understand. No, me have to answer Kim because she's very out of order. Mama make you not understand. When you find out, say, Ableboss swinging him dick all over the place, right? And you thought that you were number one by cock, you were the only one that was doing it, right? When you realize that him and the other people them are grind, you post you and Abel, and you tag me, you tag TJ, you tag Six, you tag the whole TikTok nation, because you want everybody to see, say you and the man do things. So when you are the one that come to us and make we know say you and the man are grind, how is it a lie now and you come tell we? I don't understand it. And you was the first one to come on TikTok with your fucking drama. You, it's not we dig up your business and go ask Abel, are you fucking so and so? And Miss Mom, cause that have nothing to do with me. And you post you and the man at a river and excitement and I try to prove say you are the owner for the man. And you post and you make we know. But you see, I tell TJ already now, I tell him the same thing I tell him last night, I blame him. Because you know, he didn't even get involved in this bullshit. Because when she tag the whole TikTok nation, he will convince TJ for beg you woman for take it down. But you see, this is what I'm telling you. You see, when you get involved in a people's things, are sorry for them, you enter people karma. All him did need to do, allow them mix up, make it woman bring it down from morning till night. Where you but sorry for you when your drama did come down when the world like I bring you down. So what you are sorry for him for? What you are sorry for him for? When he must swing him out and him batty up on the app and people are bring him down, make them bring him down. You never need to come help him for take down, for beg you woman for take down nothing. Make sure bring him down to the ground. Make sure bring him down. Where you gonna, because then if you never gone to help, she could have it for say you are trying to export her. When nothing goes so you expose yourself and you confirm to where cry over then miss. When you're married for 13 years, and you come to Jamaica, come and buy a cock, and a ball of a cock where you buy. You never know, say, they married for 13 years. Why you being married for 13 years, I have to do it.